Hey ladies, it's me, April. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, stick around because these nails are going to be super cool. Anyway, the primer and dehydrator that I'm going to be using is Fantasy Nails. And we are going to go ahead and start applying that onto all of my 5 nails. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and put the bonder, and normally with this one I put it on twice just because I don't want lifting on my nails. I've been doing it for twice for the longest already, and I don't have any problems with lifting at all. Alright, the acrylics that I'm going to be using today is from Royalty Nail Supplies, and this is Crystal Clear and Diva Pink. And the glitter that I'm going to be using is from Unique Nail Creations, Starlight, Starbright. Oh my gosh, guys, this glitter is so darn pretty, and on the video it's not showing the awesomeness at all. It's not giving any justice to this glitter. It's so pretty. Oh my goodness, I love it. The brush that I'm going to be using is the Alpha Brush Oval 10. So let's go ahead and start with applying the acrylic. What I'm going to go ahead and do right now is just apply the Crystal Clear on top of all my nails. Just pretty much kind of give it like a refill. I normally change my nails maybe every 3-4 days or so. So it just I just wanted to go ahead and do a fill on that. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and start with the Diva Pink. Alright, so I'm opening the glitter now just to see if you guys can see it, but God, you have to see this in person. It is just so pretty. It's just this glitter that's in it, you know, with the neons. Okay. Anyway, let's get back with it. All right, so on the ring finger, I'm going to go ahead and make it in a marble look. So we're going to put the Diva Pink on spots on that nail, and then where it has the clear spots, we're going to go ahead and put the glitter in that gap there. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and start with the glitter now, and I'm going to go ahead and put it on that top part where the clear area is. On the middle finger, what we're going to go ahead and do is put pink on the middle of the nail and then brush it down. And then the gap area where the clear part is, we're going to go ahead and put the glitter on top of that and kind of do like an ombre effect with the glitter and the acrylic. And I love this glitter so much, so it deserves a full nail glitter on my pointer finger, so every time I point, it shows. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and encapsulate all the nails. with the Crystal Clear from Royalty Nail Supplies. If you guys haven't checked these people out, you should. They are a brand new company. And if you do, please use my code for some money off. It's April 15. I will put the link down below so you guys can check them out. So we're going to go ahead and start filing. I'm going to be filing the side walls and the cuticle area. I'll be right back. Alright, I am back, and now we're going to go ahead and start putting some rhinestones on. I'm going to be putting the rhinestones on this area and this area as well. And I'm going to be adhering it with the Mia Secret resin and this crappy little tool that I got. So let's go ahead and put them on. I'm surprised this rhinestone picker is actually picking up on the first try. Normally I have to keep dabbing it, but look at that, man. It's so pretty. Just wait until we put the top coat, guys. Just wait. And might as well, let's go ahead and put some on the pinky as well to just pop with more rhinestones. I mean, rhinestones. Like, who doesn't love rhinestones? Oh my god, it's so pretty. I mean, I'm just too excited for this many. You guys haven't realized yet, but holy moly, I love it. I love it. Alright, so now let's go ahead and use the Activator Spray for all the rhinestones. It pretty much just cures the gel a lot quicker. Alright, so let's go ahead and put some top coat on. I'm going to be using the Gel-less top coat here. And just make sure when you're putting the gel top coat, do not go over the rhinestones because it dulls the shine a bit. So try to not do that at all. Alright, so what about a zoom in? Oh yeah, it's gonna look so pretty. I mean, I think it looks really pretty. If you guys think it's pretty, give me a like and a comment down below because these nails are gorgeous. Okay, I'm just obsessed. I'm sorry. Alright ladies, so this is the finished product. Here is my thumb and you'll get to see all the other fingers. Here they are. So what do you guys think? Please let me know down in the description below. I mean these oh my goodness, these are just so pretty. I love it. Okay, I'll stop, but it's because it's so darn pretty. Okay, but anyway, thanks guys for watching. Like I said, if you did like it, please give me a thumbs up and a subscribe, and I appreciate all of you guys for watching, and have a great day and share some love. Bye guys.